My name is Layla Castro, and I'm the president of the Grove at Benicia. We have 320 units, which is a lot of residents, and they're townhomes. And we started off with another management company, and it was not good at all. And then we found Affinity, and everything's been really great. So life before Affinity was terrible. The management company mismanaged our funds. There was negligence, you name it. And there was garbage everywhere. There really wasn't maintenance. And now with Affinity, we've managed to, get the garbage under control, the bulk garbage. We've also managed to put in place violations. We have committees. We have 4 committees, as a matter of fact. And we have board members that actually live in the community and care for the community. Some of the major changes that I've seen now that we have Affinity as our management company is, communication, you have accountability, you have someone there that responds and actually provides solutions. We didn't have that before. We were in a dark place, and now there's transparency, and even with the residents, I'm very transparent with them as well. Before we had a portfolio account, and now we have an on-site manager, and that's helped tremendously because we have someone on-site that's able to view and help residents right away instead of them having to drive a long distance, especially when we're located in Homestead. So having to come to Doral is not very convenient. So we've provided this convenience for the residents, and it's been really great. We've had positive feedback. And it's also great for the board member to meet with the manager and, go over daily things or, maybe on a weekly basis. So it's definitely helped the community overall. Before taking on Affinity as a new management company, I heard about Affinity through another resident in the community, and she had met Pedro at another community that she was doing something for, and she heard really great feedback. So then, as I was the leader in making a change in the community, she put me in contact with Pedro, and then Pedro kind of guided me through the process of how to take over the board legally. And we did everything he said step by step, and we were successful. Affinity did a great job assembling the on-site team. At the time, Juan was our on-site manager, and he was the best. He definitely helped us reach a lot of goals. We still have other goals to do, but it was excellent. We meshed well. We had great ideas. We'd meet about once a week and go over these ideas and how to execute them and how to problem solve. And it was definitely a good time. So the support that the on-site manager provides for the board members is everything. From the minute I wake up, I'm already texting or I've sent emails in the middle of the night. I don't bother after hours, but definitely I'm on it, and they're on it with me, and I appreciate that. And they understand that we're trying to achieve a goal for our community after, gone through so much of the corruption and everything. So they definitely are on board with what we're trying to achieve, and that's an excellent support to feel from your on-site manager, who's your main team member on-site all the time, where I have to go to work. I would say to someone who's conflicted about changing management company to do it, the ups and downs of the transitions are, but after you get through that, it's uphill from there. You have the support, you have your on-site or your portfolio, and it's just about achieving goals and problem solving, which was a big deal for us. I would definitely recommend Affinity. From my experience, it's been great. We've transitioned and everything has just improved. The community has seen the improvements. The residents are happy with the improvements. I'm happy with the improvements, and I wouldn't go back.